The foundation will award 100 $100 scholarships this year. If you are taking a second semester course, you should indicate that on your application as well. You can earn up to 2 scholarships during this school year. They both can be in the first semester, they both can be in the second semester, or one can be in the first semester and one can be in the second semester. If you are ACE eligible, you can apply for the foundation scholarship, but you must apply for the ACE as well. Be sure to see that yellow sheet of paper, that dual credit checklist for the deadline for this scholarship. You'll be notified about the NPS Foundation Scholarship before the Northeast registration deadline via school email. Wait to pay for the class until then, so you know how much to make your check for. The foundation will pay the college directly. I've given you a lot of information today. Please be sure to complete all the steps when registering. You'll want to complete a paper registration form or the online registration form. Make sure you apply for scholarships. The ACE you want to do right away, and the foundation by the deadline. You want to make sure you take your placement test or attach the scores to your registration form, or have Connie send them out to Northeast, and this needs to be done by Northeast Community College registration deadline. The test scores have to be submitted by then, or you cannot take the class if it requires a placement test score. You can turn in any paper forms in at the guidance office or out at Northeast at the admissions office, and of course you could turn your payment in at either place as well. And you can pay for the class in a variety of ways. You can pay cash, check, you can set up a payment plan at Northeast, you can give your credit card number to Northeast. If you apply for the ACE scholarship, you do not need to pay for the class unless you do not receive the ACE scholarship. So what you'll do is you'll apply for the ACE, and then you'll turn in your registration form and mark on that registration form that you have applied for the ACE scholarship. ACE will send emails to your school email or whatever email address that you provide to let you know whether or not you were awarded the scholarship. If you were awarded the scholarship, then ACE will pay the college directly. If you're not awarded the scholarship, then you'll need to make payment at that time. Please let us know if you have any questions. You can contact me, Mrs. Marshall, at the guidance office. You can talk to your teacher about any course-specific questions. And then any college questions, Michaela Williams would be your contact out at Northeast. Thank you very much. And again, please do not hesitate to ask questions if you have them.